So my name is Alicia, and I got recruited to LadyBoss from a different workout thing that I was doing with a fellow LadyBoss, and I was really enthusiastic and killing it and wasn't getting any support. And so Mandy was like, hey, you need to come over here and get some love because these girls are awesome. And so that's kind of how I got
Nice,
recruited.
You got sucked in.
I did.
Yeah. So since you've been in, what's been your breakthrough or breakthroughs that you've experienced?
So I joined in April of 2017, and I kind of came and went, and I really had a mental block about it. I think I thought this was silly, just another girl thing. And in January of this year, I decided to really give it my all and be vulnerable. And I think the breakthrough was just opening up and building relationships with other women and realizing that women can be nice and love on one another, and it's genuine and everybody is supporting everybody, and it's just been overwhelming.
In a good way, hopefully.
Yes, absolutely.
Nice. So where do you think you'd be if you hadn't made that leap and gone for it?
I would have given up a million times. It's been a reoccurring cycle for me for years, trying to lose weight and, giving up. And with LadyBoss, you don't have the option to give up because your support system is so huge. And, there's so many women that just love the crap out of you and don't let you give up. You have a bad day and you feel like you're going to give up, and they're like, that's not an option. So, yeah.
That's awesome. I love hearing that. What would you say to someone who hasn't made that leap and really needs it? Maybe they're skeptical, maybe they don't believe them they can do it.
Do it. Make it happen. Give yourself the chance. You have to believe in yourself, and you have to be vulnerable and open up and allow people to love on you. And once you do, you will never want anything else.
Wow.
Ever.
What's been the biggest thing you've learned through this process?
I think just personally, I've learned that I am capable of being loved and making friends, and that I can do this.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
You're doing it.
I'm doing it.
And
I'm doing it.
most importantly, what's been the most fun, most enjoyable thing about all this?
Being here? Is that what you mean? Or
The whole thing, since you said, I want to be a lady boss.
The relationships, just building, being able to encourage other women and have my friends encourage me and just do life with them. It's totally encompassed my entire life. I've got a 5-year-old little girl that actually she was really sad she didn't get to come with me because she thought that this conference should be for mommy lady bosses and their daughter girl bosses.
Oh.
Because these friends don't just love on me, they love on her, and they're teaching her. And when you really become a lady boss, it totally takes over your entire life and affects everybody.